Hey guys, today we're going to talk about slope. Slope is the measure of steepness of a line. There are four basic types of slope. There is the positive slope, which is a line that goes up as it moves to the right. A negative slope, which is a line that goes down as it goes to the right. A line that has slope of 0, which is a horizontal line, and a vertical line which has slope that is undefined or no slope. The equation that we're going to use to find the slope is slope, which we name m, is rise over run. Given 2 points, the equation reads y of the second point minus y of the first point divided by or over x of the second point minus x of the first point. Basically what you're doing is finding the change in the y's over the change in x's. As long as you go the same direction each time, you should be fine. Let's look at the following examples. Example 1, finding the slope of line through 2 points. Find the slope of the line passing through each pair of points. Example A, you have point -5, -6, and points 2, 8. Since 8 is the y of the second point, you go 8 subtract -6 over 2, which is the x of the second point, minus -5. 8 subtract -6 is 14. 2 subtract -5 is 7. 14 over 7 reduces to 2. A lot of times I like to refer to it as 2 over 1 because that does give us the rise and the run. Let's look at example B. I want you to notice something special about this one. First of all, y of the second point is 1. Take away y of the first point, which is 4, is -3. But look at the x's. X of the second point is 3. Take away x of the first point, which is also 3, gives us -3 over 0. As we've seen before, especially if you look at your calculators, any number divided by 0 is undefined. If you think about it, if the x isn't changing, the values isn't changing, we're not moving from left to right at all. So what kind of line do you think we have? The y's change, so it goes up and down, but it doesn't go sideways. Hopefully by now you've figured out that that means it is a vertical line. I want you to look at something real quickly. I want you to think about this. It doesn't matter which 2 points we choose on a line. The slope between any 2 given points is always the same. If you notice in looking at this diagram, up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3. The rise is 2 for each different point and the run is 3. Therefore the slope is always 2/3. You also notice that this is a line that's going up to the right, therefore we have a positive slope. Now if you look at this line, since it goes down to the right, it is a negative slope. Let's calculate the values. 1 minus 2 is -1 over 3 minus 1, which is 2. So our slope would be -1 over 2. Therefore, it moves down to the right. Okay, now it's your turn. All of you guys, I want you to look at the link at the top. We're going to IXL Math for grade 8, finding slope, which is W1 in your 8th grade math class. Sign on to your IXL accounts and let's get started. If you have any questions, raise your hand and I'll come around and assist you. Thank you.